Okay, Georgia, so you did foundation tier last year and you were doing pretty well. You got a grade C in the summer exam. You're estimating yourself a grade C here, so let's see how good your estimate is going to be. You're missing one number there, which is 18. Good, so there's 11 marks for that, you're going to get 10. Here you have to say the value is 8,000, not 1,000. It's only worth 1,000 if there's a 1 in there. The rest of that is good. So you have got 17 on that page. Well done. Good. Okay, there are 4 marks available for that graph. You're going to lose 1 mark because you haven't labelled your axes. Frequency for that, how often they come up, and for this one, choice of sport or something like that. 32 centimeters is wrong, 54 centimeters squared is right. Okay, so you have forgotten to add these 2 sides, which are both 5. So 3, 6, 8 for the page. 6x is correct. 9 4s are 36, so that's your mistake there. That's good. We're looking for an angle of 54 degrees. Your angle is a little bit below 54 degrees and it's certainly not 9 centimeters long. So you're going to lose those marks. Obtuse is bigger than 90 and less than 180. If it's bigger than 180, the word that we're looking for is reflex. So 5 marks for that page. Take a look on the video how to do that. We haven't done volume in class, but I'm sure it would be something that you would have done last year at some point. Here you have done reflective symmetry. They're looking for rotational, which means it has to look the same when it's turned. Watch how I do that on the video clip. So 2 for that page. Right, all those dots should lie in a straight line, which means you have plotted them wrong. The most important thing before plotting the points is to make sure you understand the axis. Now in this direction, you're going from 0 to 10 in 10 little squares. So each little square in that direction is 1 unit. In this direction, you're going from 0 to 20 in 10 little squares. So each square must be worth 2. So when you come to plot 114, 43, that's 100, that would be 110, 12, 14, 43 would be there. 85, 32, 82, 84, 85 will be halfway, 32 will be there. 24, 22, 24, 9 will be there. So your points are in the wrong place, but you've drawn a line so you can use it as a conversion graph. So in order to use it, you would want to go up to 370, but of course you can't. You can only go up as far as 60. So if you use the fact that if you divide that by 10, 37 will fit on the graph, read off 37, find out what it is, and then times that answer by 10, and that will give you your right answer. Take a look how I explain that on the video clip. 2 marks for that, 3 for the page. 10 out of 16 is correct. 80 lots of 90 pence isn't £710. 9 8s are 72. It's £72. And there's not enough maths going right there for you to get any marks. Take a look how I explain that on the video clip, and then if you want to practice questions like that, go on to Jones the Sum Foundation Topics, and you're looking for games of chance. That's right, well done. 5 for the page. 54 is correct, well done. Now with this one, it's a different set of angle properties that you need to know. You need to know that the angles inside a four-sided shape, quadrilateral, add up to 360. So you take those off 360, it'll give you that angle, and then straight line add up to 180, so you would take that off 180. So no marks for that. Positive 430. It shouldn't go through the corner of the axis. It's not a conversion graph, so I'm not going to give you the mark for the line of best fit. So you'll get the 2 for that, the 1 for that, you lose that, you'll get that. 2, 4, 6 for the page. And then £4.50 is fine. 420, you're going to do that, it's not 420, it's 42. So your method is right, your maths is wrong. Then for this one, you've got to do 0. times 700, which is 14. So your method is right, your answer is wrong. Then you're working out your 20%, which you've done correctly. And then you come into a conclusion. 20% off the first bill in your maths makes no difference whatsoever. So your conclusion, although it's right, isn't really relevant. You're not explaining to me why you're doing that there. So out of the 3 marks for the communication, you're only really going to be getting 1 there. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the page. That is correct. 13, because there's only 1 of them there, it will be to the power of 1. That's not right. Again, you need to know what angles on a straight line add up to. You need to know that those 2 marks there are telling you that's an isosceles triangle and what that means. Have a look how I explain that on the video clip. Okay, 65 you reckon? I think that's quite a good estimate actually. 17, 23, 31, 36, 38, 41, 46, 52, 59, 62. Very good. Good estimate. It would be better if you had that, because that would make it safe for C, but 62 would get you a grade C on that. So that's really encouraging, Georgia, considering you've had a long summer break. Well done.